back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome. In today's video, I will be reviewing and installing the new unit by Outre. This is their melted hairline unit in the style Alondra, and I have it in the color 2. So we have some dark brown hair vibes going on today. If you guys are interested in seeing the install as well as hearing what I think about this unit, then make sure you continue to watch. Before we jump into it, subscribe if you aren't already. I would really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell as well. Follow me on my other social accounts. They're on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright you guys, so here is the finished look after getting this unit installed. My main effort today, I wanted it to be as easy as possible with the installation process, because while I do enjoy gluing my units down, you know, making sure they're all melted on and whatnot, I also in reality love to throw on my wigs and literally head out the door. I pretty much prefer not to have to do too much to my wig when I put them on. I kind of feel like that's kind of the purpose. So with today's install, I did go ahead and install it, make it look good without using any melting or holding products whatsoever. I have to say I am loving how it came out. So first we'll jump into stock card information. So I'm pretty sure you guys may be familiar with the melted hairline series. If you're not, Outre has this melted hairline collection and they have literally wigs galore under this collection. You will find so many styles, colors, textures, everything underneath this collection, so make sure you check out their melted hairline series. So this one has the frontal effects hairline with no plucking is required. It also has a redesigned comfort fit for your ear contour area. Baby hairs are included with this unit. It also comes with a wide elastic band inside the wig. It has HD transparent lace and it's safe for you to use heat on up to 400 degrees. On the front of the stock card, it'll show you the different color options that they offer this wig in. If you open up the inside, it also gives you some of the similar features on the front of the stock card, just letting you know what the unit contains. And it also lets you know what their Melted Hairline series is all about. And then on the back, you get a sneak peek of each of their special colors that this unit is offered in. So first, we'll start off with the rating of today's wig. I'm going to give her a good 8.5 out of 10. The texture of this unit is not silky whatsoever. It is kind of on that mid-yucky area. That's where it's headed. You definitely get more of a yucky feel to the texture of this hair. It's very long with tight curls initially when you take it out of the packaging. However, I did do quite a bit of finger combing as well as wide tooth combing to this unit just to get more of a loose curl look, but you can leave them tight if you would prefer it that way. The density of this unit is pretty full, you guys. I feel like I have a lot of hair on my head, but not too much that it's going to make me feel like I'm ODing it, you know, like I'm hot or something, especially with the summer season that's coming up. There's a good amount of hair that has been put into this wig. As far as the hairline, which is one of the main reasons why we're all interested in the unit, of course, I think the hairline is really, really nice. The lace that it's on is very thin, very stretchy. Most of their units do come like that with the Melted Hairline series, so I'm loving the lace aspect of it. Parting space wasn't super visible, so I did add some makeup to it. As far as the pre-plucked, I don't necessarily think it is plucked as much as some of their previous units have been, but what I love about this one is they give you enough lace in the front to pluck it out some more if you want to. The baby hairs, I did not necessarily use them. I did do like a little slight swoop right here in the front, but I didn't even use like any product to keep it down. I just had like some mousse, but personally, I don't feel like the baby hairs are necessary to make this unit look natural and realistic, because the way they do their lace and the amount of hair they add in the lace area, it's always very minimum. So it makes the unit lay flat, it makes it look natural, it makes it look realistic. I did use some heat on the root area, of course, to flatten that out because it did come out just a little bit thick. Once I flattened that out, it was pretty much good to go. I don't have anything bad to say about today's wig besides the fact that I did have to cut quite a bit of lace over here, but that's not a bad thing. And also when I combed out this unit, it had a little bit of tangling as well as shedding, but it wasn't too much of it to be like, wow, dislike that unit. It still reacted well, but it did have a few strands to come out of it. I also gave you guys a 360 look at it so you can see how it looks all around. It does have layers in the front. You have more of a layered look here, right here where the bang is. And the parting space is also only on the right side. If you adjust it, it is going to look a little bit funny considering how the unit is made and how it's cut with these layers. I wouldn't suggest trying to move it around and make it into like a middle part or a left part or anything like that. You could probably pull it back, wear it in a ponytail or something like that, but that's it. If you guys have any questions about today's wig, make sure you leave in my comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again, Outre, for sending over today's wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.